What's good YouTube? I was never going to make this video, but I found this clip from about 2 years ago on my PC and I remember how agitated and frustrated I was. And I bet my nuts that if you drive a car, you can understand my frustration. You don't have to subscribe for anything regarding this video, but if you like car reviews and motorcycle videos, then please subscribe. If you want to comment, please comment at the end of the video just in case. This was on a Sunday morning around 10 AM and I travelled from London to Surrey, which has nicer, quieter roads obviously, and at this time of the morning I came across heavy traffic. I wondered if it was an accident or roadwork. After overtaking about 20 cars slowly on my bike, it turned out to be 6 selfish cyclists slowing down a whole line of drivers. This is just horrible. I mean, they're not even going to work, they're just having a Sunday bicycle ride together. They could have gone to the park or a road that offers cycle lanes, but no. Let's just make an already congested country even more congested. Lastly, even if there was nowhere else for them to go, the least they could have done is still found a place to stop and let the cars go by. Now at this point I would like to apologise to the good cyclists out there who do use a cycle to travel, stay fit and healthy, saving money. It's not easy in London, everything's expensive, and I wonder why. I do understand why people cycle. But cyclists that obstruct the rest of society make society worse, and here's one of the main reasons why.
It's now into London on the A40, where they've taken one of the lanes away to make a cycle lane. Massive traffic jam resulting from it. And stuck in it is an ambulance. Someone is dying of a heart attack somewhere up in Acton. Ambulance can't get there because they're building a cycle lane. We live in absurd times. Absurd.